how our agentic software engineers added the Outbound integration and following the online Outbound integration documentation. So what we did was we gave that documentation to a planning agent, O3 Pro. We've given it our directive on how we think this should be, this new addition to get the Outbound integration code to work based on our understanding of the documentation. And then we worked with O3 Pro to write a plan. We've now given that plan to OpenAI's Codex system. And the plan is currently like an amalgamation of human and AI generated code, mostly AI generated from O3 Pro. I just sort of looked at it and approved it. So what you're seeing here is OpenAI Codex is working on 4 solutions to the plan. And eventually it'll, this is what you're seeing here is the AI agent basically starting up a virtual environment and writing the code and testing the code, testing the plan that it writes. And this here is, looks like one of the agents finished on version 1, and then the other 3 agents there, version 2, 3, 4, are still working. So I'm reviewing the code here, just because why not? Reading how it solved the problem, where it solved the problem, which files. It updated the README. There's some syntax there. Eventually, I picked a plan. I didn't go through all that, but I out of the 4, I picked the best one. And what you're seeing here is, the Codex environment automatically created a branch on my private GitHub project. And so now I'm downloading the branch on my development environment to conduct my first test on that Codex written code. So this is the first time the human has been engaged in the project. Like writing code or anything. So the test failed. There was an error on the server. So what I'm doing now is I'm going back to Codex and I'm asking it to fix the bug. And then I gave it the terminal outputs, which it's also included the error. And so what it's going to do is try to fix that bug. I'm going to ask it to fix the bug. I'm just going to hit the little code button at some point here once I'm done typing and pasting in the error. This process can take like anywhere between 3 and 30 minutes based on my experience so far working with the tool. And here it is, it's fixing the bug 4 different ways. That's what this is, just showing you each of the 4 different Codex agents solving the problem, each a little bit differently. Finally giving me the chance to review all 4 versions. I guess go through the versions, I pick one, go through the code. They're all pretty similar. You can see some have more summary items than others. I like the variation of it because some are like simple solutions and some are sort of more extravagant or elegant. They're not all the same. So here, Codex created a new branch automatically up in my private GitHub project. I can just now go on to my local agentic engineer and just ask it to grab the latest branch. I literally type grab the latest branch from Git. It runs all the Git code, GitHub command line in the terminal for me automatically. And then I fired up the dev environment, and here we go. I'm going through a test. So I'm trying to query the MCP Acronis tool. I just hit this little Acronis button, and eventually here you're going to see a dashboard, which is a API call through the MCP tool, calling our little dashboard, showing that, hey, we went out and successfully synchronized with the tenants, clients from Acronis. Thanks for watching.